Welcome to Foundation Tips and Tricks with Mono Slab EasyForm, the innovative foundation solution that saves you time, labor, and money. Are you tired of foundation forming eating up your time, budget, and sanity? Feeling buried under lumber and forms? There's a better way. Introducing Mono Slab EasyForm, the innovative foundation solution that's revolutionizing the way we form frost-protected shallow foundations. Mono Slab is designed to meet and exceed frost depth code requirements in all 50 states, while significantly reducing your costs and project timelines. Mono Slab addresses key construction challenges, reduce excessive grading requirements. The easier forming process with the adjustable form utilizes less need for a perfect grade. Improve construction efficiencies. A quicker and more efficient installation helps keep projects on track, allowing you to take on more projects. Tackle frost protection and code issues. Cumbersome forms are no longer required to meet frost protection and energy code requirements. With the Mono Slab EasyForm adjustable form, you unlock even greater advantages. The level up extension brackets, which come with the adjustable form, simplify the process of adjusting and leveling the tops of the forms. Additionally, the included Type 2 EPS extension pieces add an additional R value. Mono Slab EasyForm is your key to saving big. Stop wrestling with traditional methods, start forming foundations smarter, faster, and more cost-effectively. Let me know in the comments below what you think and if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more building tips and tricks.